Hey, so I have a productivity tip for you to save an hour a day by not using email so much. You should only use email to write emails and I don't know. I suppose there are some things you need like look, I have some security alerts. Okay, that's probably good that I get security alerts. And there are some newsletters I like to read, but step 1, like unsubscribe from any newsletter that you don't read as soon as you see it, basically. Um, just unsubscribe. If it's something you don't want to read, you shouldn't be subscribed. So that's going to save you time, but that's what I have to show you is way cooler than that. So let me show you. This is filtering. So these are emails or newsletters that you want to receive, but you don't want to have them incoming in real time. Instead, you want to filter them to skip your inbox and go straight to a folder or what's called a label inside of Gmail. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. Let's take an example. See this radioguestlist.com. So that's great. It's something I want to receive. So I could possibly find radio and podcast spots for my clients. Uh, but I don't want these to come in real time. As you can see, I get a lot of these from Radio Guest List, and I don't. No, no, it's not going to work. So here's how you filter. It's very simple. You just click on the offending email. So any of them will do. Let's take the latest one. Click on it, Radio Guest List, and we're going to set up a filter. It's so easy and it's going to save you a lot of time. Just go to the three dots and go down to filter messages like this. And it's from, and it shows who the offender is. And you go to create filter. You don't have to do anything else. Just go to create filter. The only setting we need is who it's from. And now you check two things. You check skip the inbox. Yes, I don't have to see it when it comes in. That's great. And then go down to apply the label, check that, and then you have to choose a label. Now I already have some labels, but I want this to be under radio. Let's go to new label, and I will call it radio. You could also nest it under a different label you already have, such as personal. I could put it under there, but I'm just going to give it its own new label and then click create. And once you've done that, you have to click create filter. So now all of these emails, yes, all of these emails will skip my inbox. And now you can see the radio label here. So pretty awesome. Hope that helps you a lot.